Loops. Loops, 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 loops. Very cool. But you decided to create your own melodies. That's nice, but you don't know where to start. No problem, my friend, because you clicked on the right video. We're gonna make a melody together. First of all, we're gonna open up a VST. Let us use Flex. It's a free and included with flstudio, so you guys can just follow along easily. Find an instrument you like. I absolutely love the new lo-fi pack. This is also useful for trap melodies. Once you found a sample, right-click it and choose piano roll. First thing you want to do is decide what scale you want to work. If you don't know music theory, follow along carefully. Open up the menu and select View, Scale Highlighting, and then make sure it's set to minor natural. Then select one of these scales. It doesn't really matter which one. I selected F, and now FL tells us which notes we can use and which not. Let me create a simple dark melody real quick. And this is what I came up with. That sounds awesome, but how did I do this? Now, if you jump from F to the next highlighted note, you skip one step, which sounds like this. If you play these two notes, you move around half steps. And these are used a lot in minor and dark melodies. Now let's create a counter melody. This is a melody that plays simultaneously, and to create that, you're gonna need this. First, let's start with an F note, since that is also the root note of the key. Now we're gonna move one note up and do the same in the second part. Okay, to make it even more interesting, we're gonna lay down another note on top of these. A C note would work perfectly fine, because it's the third note in a F minor chord. Do the same for the other ones, and now it sounds like this. That's just amazing. Now the next trick is gonna blow you away. Also, consider subscribing if you want to help me grow the channel. Thank you. Next trick. I lay down a very simple drum pattern so that we can feel some rhythm. Cool, now find a note that plays at the same time as the snare or the clap. Place a note before it and drag it out. Select it and hit Alt+U on your keyboard. This opens up the shopper. Play around with the time multiplicator until you have this. Click accept and go to the velocity settings. Now draw in a shape like this to build it up slowly. Super cool, but if you want it to sound even better, open up the menu and select panning. Move the strumming sound from the left to the right. This will make it more ear candy-ish. Also, if you feel like the counter melody is too prominent, hold down Control on your keyboard and select the notes. Then hold Alt and with the scroll wheel turn down the velocity. This will make the main melody sound more present. But we also really need to make the melody pop, and to do that, watch this video next where I will explain everything about mixing it with the entire track. Subscribe, gotta go now.